Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
how was your test, everyone?
Sir, very easy.
My test
And
was
sir,
good.
Sir, very easy.
It was very
and sir, interesting also.
interesting.
Yes, sir. Interesting.
Nice.
So we want these type of questions when we are bored.
But Simran, your voice is not coming clearly.
Sir, because network problem.
Yes.
Sir, I think I will get full marks.
Okay, very good, very nice.
Me too.
Sir, I also think.
Me too.
Was very. Sir, I think my 2 marks will cut. I think.
It is giving me a very good feeling that you all are going to score full marks. You're
Sir,
feeling like,
sir, because you teach very good.
oh, ये तो अमूल बटर लगाया है. ये कौन सा वाला लगाया? अमूल बटर लगाया, न्यूट्रीलाइट लगाया या घर पे बना करके लगाया?
सर क्रेडिट दिया सर, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं.
क्रेडिट दिया, ओहो, क्रेडिट.
सर आपकी बेटी का.
Okay, so let's start.
ओके सर.
Any doubts? When do you have your maths exam? Can you tell me the date?
Sir, sir, on 20 day after tomorrow.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
day after tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. So any doubts?
Yes,
in
sir.
maths?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anyone? Any problem in
No,
the
sir.
No.
fractions?
No, sir.
Anywhere, any problem? No problem at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Very nice. We have very good students sitting here in the class. Very confident also. It is very
Yes,
nice.
sir. Very confident.
Are you all comfortable in multiplying decimal numbers and dividing decimal
Yes,
numbers?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, in dividing only we are very interested.
Very well.
Yes, sir.
So, if I give you one or two questions of dividing decimal number, can you do it?
Sir, give a full paper. I am saying.
Very well.
Yes.
That is very confident.
We have to do in fair copy.
हाँ बेटा, you have to do it in fair copy. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Abhiyan Duan, you are a very cute child. You know? In fact, all of you are very cute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so question is, you have to divide um, 22.76
22.76.
4. Can you do it, all of you? Divide 22.76 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start doing it.
Okay, sir. 20 क्या केस ठंडी
So done.
ठंडी
Done so quickly. Very good, beta.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell the answer.
Sir, 5.69.
5.69 is absolutely correct. Very good.
So my answer is also this.
Very good. Okay. So anyone having any doubt? There is no problem if you have a doubt in it. I will tell you how to do it. No problem if you have a doubt. You can ask.
So my answer is 5.69.
Sir, please tell the second question.
Okay, I am going to solve it here on the board. I hope you all have done this. I am going to solve this.
Yes, sir.
now. So those who have any problem, they can just see it once. So you have to divide 22.76 by 4. So first of all, 2 is smaller than 4. That means you will take 2 digits. And 5 you are going to write here. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Subtract 22 minus 20 is 2. Now 2 is smaller than 4, so you have to copy down a digit. So when you are copying down the first digit after decimal, you have to put a decimal in the place of quotient also. This is the first digit that I have copied down. After decimal, first digit we have copied. So we will put a decimal in place of quotient. Okay, this is the rule. Now 27 is the number. So 4 6 times it gives you 24. Okay, subtract this. Remainder is 3. Now copy down the next digit. Bring down the next one. 6. 36. 4 9 times is 36. Remainder is 0. That means the answer is 5.69. Got it, everyone?
Answer is correct.
Okay. Ready for the next one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Question 2. Divide 851.4 by 9. Divide this by 9. 851.4 by 9.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good, beta.
Sir, can I tell answer?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Let others also do this.
Sir, the
Sir,
answer is
94.6.
94.6.
So 94.4 is the answer.
Sir, 94.6.
Okay, I am going to do it on the board now. Ready, all of you?
Yes, sir. Ready.
851.4 divided by 9. So 85 you will take first. 9 1, remainder 4. 1 you will put down. 41. 4 times 36. Remainder 5. Now you have to copy down the first digit after decimal, that is 4. Put a decimal here. Okay. 54. 9 6 times is 54. 0 is the remainder.
Sir, my answer is correct.
94.6 is the answer.
So my answer is also correct.
Very good. So I'm going to give you a word problem now. I hope you all can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write down the question, all of you. A shirt requires a shirt requires a shirt requires 1.75 meter cloth.
So the shirt required.
A shirt जो पहनते हैं pants
Yes,
and shirts, हाँ वो shirt वाली. A shirt requires 1.75 meter cloth. Full stop. Full stop. How much cloth will be required, will be needed? How much cloth will be needed? How much cloth will be needed to make?
Sir, please repeat the question.
How much cloth? How much cloth will be needed how much cloth will be needed to make will be needed to make will be needed to make 27 shirts. Will be needed to make 27 shirts. Question mark. Start doing. Will be needed to make 27 shirts? Question mark. Start doing the question. Beta,
What is written after 27 shirts?
how much cloth is required to make? How much cloth is needed to make 27 shirts? 27 shirts? Question mark.
Sir, I have done.
So we have to also need to find out these answer. We should how
Sir,
much
can I
cloth is
tell the
taken
answer?
by one
Sorry, beta. I'm not able to understand what you're saying. Can you tell again?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
No, no, just wait. Don't tell the answer. Abhiyan, what are you asking?
So I was asking that to find the answer of 27 shirts, we should also have cloth used by one shirt.
Beta, it is given in the starting of the question. Cloth required for one shirt is 1.75 meter. तुमने starting से नहीं लिखा है question. Cloth required to make one shirt is 1.75 meter. Okay. Abhiyan, now clear?
Yes, sir.
Now find the answer. I hope you all are writing these statements also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, repeat the value.
Sir, I have got the answer.
Cloth required for one shirt is 1.75 meter. एक शर्ट के लिए the cloth required is 1.75 meter.
Sir, done. Sir, I have also done.
Very good, beta. Okay, all of you have done the question. Now, everyone,
Yes, sir, done.
anyone is still doing?
Sir, shall I tell the answer?
Yes, tell the answer, Ashfa.
The answer is 47.25 meters.
What is the answer?
47.25 meters.
47.
Sir, the answer is 47.25.
Okay, let's check the answer. So here it is very clear that we have to multiply and find the answer. Cost of one shirt is 1.75 and you have to find the cost, sorry, not cost, the cloth required. Sorry. The cloth required for one shirt is 1.75 meter and you have to find how much cloth is required for 27 shirts. So you have to
Okay, sir.
clearly multiply in this case. So I'm not writing these statements. I hope you all can write these statements on your own.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
1.75 multiplied by 27.
Okay, sir.
35, 3, 49, 52, 5, 12. 1, 2, 5. 350. 5, 2, 7, 4. So now the decimal total number of digits after decimal, number of decimal places in the first number. How many decimal places are there? 2. In the second number, no decimal place is there. यहाँ पे decimal नहीं लगा है second number में, so there are only 2 decimal places total. So you will take the in the answer you will start from the right side and leave 2 digits and now put the decimal. So what is the answer? 47.25 meters. 47.25 meter cloth
Sir, my answer is correct.
required.
Sir, mine also.
Okay, very good. Okay, in the same question, can you find how much cloth is required for 32 shirts? How much
Yes, sir.
cloth is
Yes, sir.
required for 32 shirts? Find out.
So we will write a statement with answer.
Yes, you have to write it on your own. 32 shirट्स के लिए निकालिए.
1.75. Okay, sir. हाँ ठीक है मल्टीप्लाई What is
Yes, what is the answer?
sir?
Now you will multiply 1.75 by 32.
Yes. Sir.
Anyone telling the answer?
Mm.
10, 1, 14, 15, 1, 3. 175. 55. Now you add them 0, 0, 1, 6, 5.
Sir, period is about to over.
Yes. So
Yes,
there are
sir.
2 decimal places in the number. So answer is 56.00. 56.00
So my answer is correct.
is
My
also,
answer is correct.
you can simply write it as 56 meter because after decimal there is no digit, only zeros are there.
Okay, sir.
So you can simply write the answer as 56 meters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you for today.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.